Alright, we always want to test fit the piece first to make sure it fits correctly. You want to push it into place and make sure it's going to line up and fit the dash correctly. From this point, now we can clean. Always wipe down and clean the backside of the piece you're going to install with an ammonia-based cleaner. Make sure you get all areas that you're going to apply silicone to. We need to clean down the dash with an ammonia-based cleaner as well. You want to make sure that every area of the dash that the new cover touches is going to be clean for the install. Okay. Remember, when applying your silicone, you want a nice even bead around the perimeter of the cover. You don't want to use too heavy of a bead. Since this cover wraps around the front of the dash, we'll be putting it down in this valley so that it'll squeeze out and seal to the front of the dash. Also remember, you don't have to use all of the adhesive. You just need what you need to go around the perimeter of the part. Now that we have the silicone in the valley, we're going to go around the perimeter of the piece. Do not put any silicone across the center section of the dash cover. It can cause warpage over time. We've put this additional bead because of the wraparound front. Now that we have the silicone on the part, we're going to carefully install the new dash cover over the existing dash cover and press it firmly in place. Once you have the cover in place, use masking tape or painter's tape to hold the cover down. It helps as well to put some weight on top of the cover while the silicone is drying. Be creative. I'm using a gallon of water and some landscape stones wrapped in cloth, just as long as you get some weight on it to hold it down. And here's the finished product. After letting set for at least 8 hours, it turned out beautifully. Looks fantastic. Thank you, Coverlay, for another great product.